This mod adds realistic wheel motion and removes the fake blur effect, making high-speed driving look much more natural. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon, right-click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right-click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. To media, course, library. For doing this mod, backup your original file. To do this, search global, same file, global core attributes. Right click and copy and create a new folder in desktop backup and then paste the file in here. After taking backup, you can now just drag and drop this file inside here. Replace the file in the destination and launch the game. This mod replaces the fake wheel blur with a realistic spinning effect. So when you drive faster, the wheels look natural instead of showing a flat blur texture. I'll show you guys before and after comparison and you can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.